Oh shit.
Yeah, you can't do it alone.
Not always.
You have to do the training program.
Yeah.
5 jumps.
Yeah, yeah.
I looked into it.
Yeah, if you want to jump yourself, you have to training.
I chose scuba diving over getting my own certification for jumping out of planes on my own.
I think I'll like have a hard time before that. I'm just scared of flights. Like on a helicopter, I think I'm scared.
You need some training.
Like whenever
You gradually going higher.
but whenever I fly, there's a turbulence. I just feel like I want to think.
Oh.
I look at people around me; they're all calm and eating.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, never is.
You didn't trust the system, right? You didn't trust the system.
Probably when you go on skydiving.
Turbulence never causes a plane crash. It's
I know, but still.
That was the mechanical
It's the computer geeks. They mess it up.
just
My friend next to me is like, "Yeah, this is so fun. It's like a roller coaster." I was like, "Shit."
Yeah.
I highly recommend that you skydive once in a while.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Then you will be okay with everything.
Definitely.
It's one of the best experiences.
how high, is it usually from a similar height or?
And you want to do
So-
paraglide.
I'll be
So
fine.
Hawaii,
I think I'm okay.
they kind of follow their own rules.
Yeah, it's not like
There's mountains there.
Yeah.
I only did the
So the limit
paraglide.
Okay.
the limit in the US is 14,000 feet without an oxygen mask.
Yeah, I think that's
Very
They go higher?
relaxing.
We went higher.
Well, some of the mountains are like 10, 12,000 feet there.
Mauna Kea is
But you want to do
14,000
Yeah. So you can start from there.
Yeah. Well, my friend he's getting his PhD now, but he worked on those telescopes. We were there, we were like, we fell 400 more feet from this. But
Yeah.
He freaked out.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, you will be okay. Yeah, just take.
Oh,
Same. Okay. Yeah.
so it's not really.
If you keep going up, actually, you need to make a right turn at one point, like a middle point. Maybe.
You mean left or right? Right?
Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Maybe another half mile. You need to make a right, and then you just go straight up. That's it. Yeah.
So is it all uphill?
Not that much.
Or is it more
Maybe.
I'll just stay here with you.
Yeah. There's a. Maybe I would say another. Quarter mile uphill, and then become a flat.
Is he okay?
Yeah, right now this is the. Not much left. Yes.
Do you come here often?
This one not that often. This second time this year.
Okay.
Yeah. Simon, you can slow down a little bit. Hey guys, actually this way is better. Going this way. Right side, right side.
It's easier.
Yeah. Or you can go there, but the two-way up. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that one. Yeah. That one is little easier. Right? I think after this hill it's about done. Not that. Yeah. Take a little break, see if the other guy can catch up. One guy falling behind. But if it's too much, then we can keep going. But just take a little bit break here.